Happy ako overall kay Meeting Up. It's because I always have the freedom to be flexible and to explore other things na hindi ko alam na kaya ko palang gawin. Pero because of Meeting Up, na-explore ko din yung pagiging tech. Na-enjoy ko din pala yung hindi client-facing. Meeting Up really gives the opportunity for everybody to explore. Hindi lang yung maging stagnant ka sa isang posisyon na meron ka, but we are able to explore the things na hindi din namin alam sa sarili namin na, ay, kaya pala namin to. Ito yung environment na very chill lang talaga. Sobrang chill nung relationship natin with one another. And talagang laging may support. Yun yung best for me. The support, the environment. Kasi hindi naman magtatagal yung mga tao dito na I've known for years. We're very blessed. We're so happy. I'm so happy. We're growing. We're blessed enough din na yung mga taong nag-join sa atin or yung mga taong pumapasok, napapasok, is nagja-jive tayo with one another.